Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to the Womanpreneur Blueprint. I am your host, Lori Robertson. And in today's episode, we're diving into something that I know so many of you have been thinking about. And the reason why is because I get tons of questions around this topic. And the topic is how to turn your passion into a profit. Now, let's be real. We all have something that we absolutely love doing. Maybe you're obsessed with fitness, maybe you're the go to person for beauty tips, or maybe you've got a knack for organizing chaos. But because, girl, listen, let me tell you, we all need that friend. But the big question is, can you actually make money doing what you love? And the answer is yes, yes, and absolutely yes. So today I'm breaking it all down into simple, actionable steps so you can stop dreaming about it and start making it happen. So grab your coffee, put those AirPods in, and get ready to take some notes because by the end of this episode, you're going to have a clear plan to turn your passion into a profitable business. And then I'm also going to be giving you a free condensed guide to help you along the way. So let's dig in. Now, the first step in this guide is how to discover what you love and then what will people pay for. So let me tell you this quick story. There was a time when I felt completely lost. I was dabbling in everything, trying to make money online, but nothing was sticking. I was passionate about helping people, but I didn't know how to turn that into a business. And honestly, I almost just gave up. Till one day, I had this conversation with a friend of mine who said, Girl, you're always helping people with starting a business and how to make money, yada, yada, yada. But why aren't you charging for this? That's when it clicked. I was already giving away valuable knowledge, but I wasn't monetizing it. So here's the first thing I want you to do. First, I want you to write down all the things you love doing. What lights you up? What could you talk about for hours nonstop? And then number two, I want you to ask yourself, what do people always ask me for help with? This is a big clue. And I want you to let that one sink in. And then number three, research if people are already making money from it. Now there's a spoiler alert. If others are profiting, that means there's a market for it. So I want you to remember, passion alone isn't enough. Your passion must solve a problem or provide some value to others in a way that they're willing to pay for it. Let that sink in too. Please remember that. I'm going to repeat it again. Your passion alone isn't enough. Your passion must solve a problem or provide value to others in a way that they're willing to pay for it. So if people keep coming to you for the same thing over and over and over again, then trust me, there's a market for it. Now, the next step number two, find a profitable business model. Now that you've got your passion locked in, let's talk about how you can make money with it. So there are so many ways to monetize your passion online. So here are three profitable models you can start with. Number one, this is my favorite way, but number three that I'm going to give you, I learned it through that particular avenue. But the first is digital products. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even printables. If you're great at teaching something, why not package it up and sell it? Ding, ding, ding. You ever thought of that? A lot of people have not. Number two, coaching or consulting. If you love helping others, you can offer one-on-one coaching or small group sessions. People pay for guidance. Now, I'm not saying to go out and charge your friends, but the point is, whatever it is that you're coaching them on or consulting them on, that's what you can make a profit around, a product or a service around so that you can make some money. And then number three, which is where I learned a lot of this, is through affiliate marketing. So if you don't want to create your own product, you can promote products that you love and earn commissions when people buy through your link, right? So through affiliate marketing, I bought a product to teach me how to create my own digital products. I brought a product through an affiliate marketing program to teach me how to do coaching and consulting. Do you see what I'm saying? So these are the top 3 ways that I know for a fact that's very profitable. So here's your action step. Choose one. Just choose one. That's it. Choose one of these business models and start simple. Don't try to do it all at once. Pick the easiest route that feels right for you and then just go for it. And I want you to let me know which one you actually did. Now, step number 3 is to build your brand and online presence. And I know in a couple of my podcasts, I talk about those things. So I don't know, maybe I may leave it in the show notes for you to go back and listen to it. I mean, it's fairly new, so you can actually just go to the next episode and then you will see these. But I know I spoke before about building your brand and your online presence so you will stand out, so you can stand out in the crowd, okay? So we're going to talk about branding. Because, girl, let me tell you, if you want people to take you seriously, you need a brand that stands out. So the first thing is to pick a niche and own it. You don't have to be everything to everyone. Just focus on the specific people that you want to help. And then number 2, create your online home, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, a blog. Just start showing up consistently and share valuable content. The top hot thing right now is TikTok. So share it there. But wherever it is that you are a lot of the time, that's where you share it. And then number 3, which is the most important thing, is to just be you. There's nobody else like you but you. Share your story, your struggles, your personality. That is what will make people connect with you. Okay? So here's your action step for this. Choose just one platform and commit to posting consistently for the next 30 days. Post every day. Show up, share your knowledge, and start attracting your tribe. Because guess what? Your tribe is definitely out there. And then I want to know which platform that you chose. Step number 4, create and sell your first offer. Okay, now let's get to the fun part, making the money. So here's the simplest way to launch your first offer. I love this. Number 1, decide on your product or service. It could be a mini course, a coaching package, or a digital download. Whatever it is that floats your boat, whatever it is that makes your heart sing, do that. Number 2, set up a simple sales page. Now you don't need anything fancy, just a page that explains what it is, why it's valuable, and a buy button. And I offer something called a funnel builder, and it sets up all kinds of pages. So I'm going to leave that down in the show notes as well. But you have tons of funnels or sales pages or however it is that you want to call it, lead magnets or whatever name you want to give to it. But it don't have to be anything fancy, just a page that asks for their name, their email address, maybe a phone number if they opt in, and then you share with them whatever this product or service is, have them click it, and then especially if it's a download, if you're doing a digital download, and then once they click it, you send them the digital download, and then decide how much you want to charge for it. But it's really simple and easy, right? So that's the second step. And then your third step is to promote it. Share it on social media, email your list if you have one, and don't be afraid to talk about it. So let me just share this, where when I said if you have one, if you don't have an email list, you definitely need to start one, okay? So your action step for this step 4 is brainstorm one thing you can sell within the next 30 days and start working on it today. And if you need any type of help or assistance, let me know and I will be more than happy to help you out. Step number 5, stay consistent and keep learning. Listen, success does not happen overnight. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is what? What do you think it is? Well, I'm not going to hold you in suspense. The word is consistency. Be consistent. Number 1, keep showing up. Even when it feels like no one is watching, trust me, they are. They definitely are. Number two, keep learning. Invest in courses, read books, and keep growing your knowledge, because applied knowledge, and knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is going to take you beyond your wildest dreams. Number three, celebrate small wins. Every sale, every follower, every person that you help, it all counts. Celebrate it. Dance around your room, smile, take yourself out and get you some ice cream. Whatever win you have, get you, I don't know, whatever it is that you enjoy. Get that chocolate bar or something. But make sure you celebrate your small wins, because the small wins will turn into another small win and another small win. And next thing you know, you will be snowballing until you have that huge win that you have been looking for. Ooh, Lordy, that was a lot, but I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take action. Turning your passion into profit is 100% possible, but it all starts with you believing in yourself and taking that first step. Now, like I said earlier, I want to hear from you. I do. What passion are you turning into a business? You can send me a DM on my social media, which is down in my show notes. You can tag me in your stories. I want to cheer you on. And hey, if you love this episode, which I hope that you did, make sure you subscribe, leave me a review, and share it with another queen who needs this message today. And it also will push me out in the algorithm so people can actually see my podcast episodes. Don't forget to download your free guide, which is located in the show notes. And until next time, I want you to keep pushing forward. I want you to stay bold. And I always, always want you to believe in yourself. You've got this, love. So until next time, I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.